Before you buy a garden trampoline, there's one thing you need to know that no product page ever mentions, but the people who actually own them, they all talk about it. Most trampolines look the same online. Same colors, same claims, same fake backyard photos. But the real difference isn't in the bounce. It's in what happens when the wind hits or your kid jumps too hard.
Product number 1. Life Egern Misting Cooling System. Let's start with something unexpected. This isn't a trampoline, but it solves a real garden trampoline problem: overheating. The Life Egern Misting Cooling System costs just $18.99 and turns your trampoline zone into a cool oasis on hot days. If you live somewhere warm and your kids are avoiding the trampoline because it's too hot to touch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. On a 90-degree Fahrenheit day, the metal frame and jump mat can get scorching. This system drops the surrounding temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit using ultra-fine mist. It's pre-assembled, connects directly to your garden hose, and covers a 40-foot area, perfect for shading both the trampoline and seating. The brass nozzles don't leak, and it uses no electricity, so it's cheap to run. Over 1,000 people bought it last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the design looks solid. Now, some people might complain about installation if your hose threads don't match perfectly. Here's the thing though, most outdoor faucets are standard, and the 3/4-inch brass adapter fits 90% of homes. You might need a quick adapter from the hardware store, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a trampoline in direct sun and want to make it usable all summer. Skip this one if you live in a cool climate or already have shade. For under $20, it's a smart add-on, not a must-have, but if heat's an issue, it's a game changer.
Product number 2, ZCMAX-AX Foldable Mini Trampoline. If you're tight on space but still want a trampoline experience, the ZCMAX-AX Foldable Mini Trampoline is a clever alternative. Priced at $49.99, it's not for backyard bouncing, it's for indoor fitness. If you want low-impact cardio that's easy on the joints, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It folds down to just 15 inches by 28.7 inches, so you can stash it under the bed or behind a couch. But when you unfold it, it supports up to 440 pounds, thanks to thick bungees and a carbon steel frame. Unlike spring trampolines, the bungees are 95% quieter, no loud clanging. It arrives 60% pre-assembled and takes only 10 minutes to set up. Great for adults doing rebounding workouts or kids burning energy indoors. Now, some people complain that the legs aren't permanently attached, so you have to remove them before folding. Here's the thing though, that's actually why it folds so small. It's a trade-off for portability, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a trampoline for exercise, not play, and live in an apartment or small home. Skip this one if you're looking for a full-sized garden trampoline for outdoor fun. At $50, it's a solid investment for fitness, not recreation. Product number 3, Uniprime Barbecue Trampoline Stakes. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety, especially if you live in a windy area. The Uniprime Barbecue Trampoline Stakes are only $14.98, but they could save your trampoline from flying into the neighbor's yard. If you've ever worried about storms or strong gusts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These aren't flimsy plastic anchors. They're 10-inch galvanized steel U-stakes with sharp tips that dig deep into the ground. Each one is 0.25 inches thick and designed to hold firm in high winds. You use 2 per trampoline leg, and they work on grass, soil, even packed dirt. Over 500 people bought them last month, and they're also used for tents and decorations, proof they're tough. Now, some people said they bent when hitting rocks. Here's the thing though, no stake is indestructible. If your yard is full of rocks, go slower or pre-drill, but for normal soil, these hold strong. This is perfect for you if you live in a windy region or have a large trampoline. Skip this one if you're on concrete or artificial turf. For $15, it's cheap insurance against disaster.
Product number 4, VGMU 60-inch Kids Trampoline with Basketball Hoop. If safety and fun for young kids is your priority, the VGMU 60-inch trampoline stands out. At $80.99, it's not the cheapest, but it's built like a tank. If you have a toddler or young child and want a trampoline that won't tip or tear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a full safety enclosure with double-stitched mesh that won't rip easily. The jump pad is wear-resistant PP, and the frame has suction cups on each leg to prevent sliding, even on hardwood. Plus, the built-in basketball hoop adds extra fun without needing extra space. It's rated for ages 3 to 8 and supports up to 110 pounds. Over 400 sold last month, and the rust-proof steel frame means it lasts years. Now, some parents said assembly took longer than expected. Here's the thing though, it comes with all tools and clear instructions. It might take 30 to 45 minutes, but once it's up, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, durable trampoline for young kids. Skip this one if you need something for older kids or teens. At $81, it's a great value for peace of mind.
Product number 5, Galden 8-inch garden stakes. If you want heavy-duty anchoring without breaking the bank, the Galden 8-inch garden stakes are a reliable backup. At $13.59 for 10 pieces, they're slightly shorter than the Uniprime BBQ ones, but just as tough. If you need versatile, rust-resistant stakes for trampolines, tents, or decorations, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They're made of powder-coated galvanized steel, so they won't rust even in wet soil. Each stake is 8 inches long with a 5/16 diameter and sharp tip for easy hammering. They work great for smaller trampolines or as extra anchors. The black finish blends into the ground, and they're strong enough for windy days. Now, some users said they're not long enough for very large trampolines. Here's the thing though, for mid-sized or kids trampolines, 8 inches is plenty. Just use 2 per leg and angle them outward for maximum grip. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, multi-use stakes. Skip this one if you have a giant trampoline in a storm-prone area. For $13.60, it's a smart buy for light to moderate use.
So, which one's right for you? If heat's the issue, go with the Life Green Mister. For indoor fitness, the ZCMH-AXJ Mini Trampoline. Need wind protection? The Uniprime BBQ stakes are the strongest. For toddlers, the VGMU with its safety net and hoop is unbeatable. And if you want budget-friendly anchors, the Galden stakes get the job done. None are perfect, but each solves a real problem most buyers don't think about until it's too late.